Apple just introduced the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, the latest iterations of its premium smartphone. The iPhone 7 and 7 Plus look remarkably similar to the phones they replace. This is the smallest generational design shift in the iPhone's history, but that's not to say nothing has changed. The antenna bands on the back of the previous models have been made more discreet, they now hug the edges of the device. This repositioning has allowed Apple to squeeze in larger camera bumps on the back. For the first time in the iPhone's history, the new phones are water and dust resistant, up to IP67, that is, splashproof, not submersible. As we expected, there's no headphone port to be seen, but there's at least a stereo speaker for the first time. The home button no longer physically clicks in, but a haptic feedback mechanism will trick your finger into thinking it has. Moving on to what you can't see, the new iPhones are powered by Apple's latest in-house SoC, the A10 Fusion. As usual, Apple isn't giving firm figures on performance here. It says it's 64-bit, 4-core chip, with 2 high-power cores and 2 low-power cores to save battery life. The iPhone 7 lasts 2 hours more than the iPhone 6s, while the iPhone 7 Plus lasts 1 hour more than the iPhone 6s, apparently. As for the nitty-gritty, Apple's sticking with comparative and superlative statements, like 40% faster processing and 2/3 the power graphics performance when compared to the 6s's A9. It's the most powerful chip ever in a smartphone and capable of rendering 400 flying monkeys in Oz, Broken Kingdom.